Moving averages are depicted as a crucial element in technical analysis to aid in reading market movements. In this video, we will delve into a 5-minute scalping strategy using the exponential moving average. This trading strategy is remarkably user-friendly and can be accessed on all trading platforms. Make sure to stay tuned to this channel, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Now, open your TradingView platform and go to the Indicator Search tab. Type 3 Moving Average Exponential and select 3 Moving Average Exponential by JASP. Then, go to the Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the Fast EMA to 25, the Medium EMA to 50, and the Slow EMA to 100. Next, go to the Style tab. Adjust the colors of the EMAs according to your preference and click OK to confirm the change. Moving averages are often considered a crucial element in technical analysis to observe market movements. The 3 exponential moving average indicator will serve as a benchmark for assessing trends and market movements. If the EMA 25 and EMA 50 intersect and are above the EMA 100, then that indicates a bullish trend. However, you need to ensure that the EMA 25 is in the top position followed by EMA 50, while EMA 100 is in the bottom position during a bullish trend. In a bearish trend, the order should be reversed, with EMA 100 in the top position, EMA 50 in the second position, and EMA 25 at the bottom. You will need another indicator to guide order placement in the market. Return to the Indicator Search tab and type CCI, or Commodity Channel Index. Choose the default CCI from TradingView. Then, go to the CCI Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the CCI length to 32. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the check marks for smoothing line, middle band, and indicator background. Click OK to confirm the changes. The CCI indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. When the CCI signal line is at the lower band, be prepared to identify points to place a buy order. Conversely, when the CCI signal line is at the upper band, be ready to identify points to place a sell order. How to place a buy order? Ensure that the EMA 20 and EMA 50 have crossed just above the EMA 100, with the EMA 20 at the top, EMA 50 in the middle, and EMA 100 at the bottom. Your focus is now on finding a point to place a buy order. Wait until the CCI signal line is at the lower band. Then, wait until the CCI line crosses the lower band in an upward direction. Afterward, confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order? Confirm that the EMA 20 and EMA 50 have crossed below the EMA 100, with the EMA 20 at the bottom, EMA 50 in the middle, and EMA 100 at the top. Your focus is now on finding a point to place a sell order. Wait until the CCI signal line is at the upper band. Then, wait until the CCI line crosses the upper band in a downward direction. Afterward, confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to stay tuned to this channel, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching.